Welcome back, everybody. Bike Revolution TV here. We got the FJ after the Panhard bar relocation bracket mounted on there, and I haven't had any problems. But apparently there's been some idiot on the internet talking about when you go into full bump, the Panhard bar is going to bind on the bottom of the OEM mount. Well, here we are on the side of my house. I got quite a bit of a wheel gap here, almost up to my elbow. Tires up high, up on a tree root, and on the other side, we got the 33 nicely tucked away in there. I've had it tucked even more, by probably about 3-4 inches up higher up in there. No problem, wheel still turns. 35's a rub, maybe. 33s for sure won't. Let's take a look at the front. We'll get underneath the bottom here in a little bit. We'll take a look at this so-called Panhard bar. There's my front end doing its thing. Now let's get on the inside here and take a look at my my angle. So we're pretty crooked. It's like we're at 10 degrees lane on the left. See it right there at the number 10. And if you take this line to the other line, somewhere about 15, not quite 20. And from the driver's side, we're pretty much looking up at the sky, you know what I mean? Like there's the ground way over there. So right here at eyeball height, you know, we see sky. We're up there. Now let's take a look at the Panhard bar and see if it's actually binding on the OEM mount on the driver's side like he said. Oh my God, it's not binding at all. Obviously the right side is a little bit higher because that's the side that's cocked up. Man, it looks good to me. I don't see any problems. Let's get it at another angle and see if it'll bind. All right, so we just cocked it around, did a 180, parked the other tire up there. Let's go take a look at the other side here. Not quite as much as an angle, a little bit of an angle. But now the passenger side's down and the driver's side is up. Damn, don't look like it's binding at all. What he's talking about is he's saying this Panhard bar, where I put this relocation bracket in, now that I dropped it down to level it, it's going to bind right there. The Panhard bar is going to bind on that mount, and it just doesn't flex as much to do that. So whatever he's saying, he's full of shit. I'm looking for more angles, so let's see if I can get it lifted up on top of this stump, which is about 11 inches high, bringing the front end on the passenger side about 11 inches high. I'm gonna put some rocks here so I can kind of roll on it easier. Let's get a real good angle on it. All right, went ahead and got the angle that we wanted. Now we're sitting at a 20-degree tilt and damn near a 20-degree incline. Yeah, we're looking real good. Let's go take a look at the wheels. Yeah, I got that tire really tucked in now. Oh yeah, she's up on the stump. Right on it. Not bad. Now we got a lot of space under here. And look at that. Look at my sway bar. It can still come out a little bit more to make this straight. See, there's a little bit of a bend here. So you don't need extended sway bar lengths. I did a video in the past and I messed up on that one. Not really messed up, just there was no need for them. Because I mean, look how much angle I got, and I still have a little bit of kink. This isn't straight from that point to that point, right there. Let's take a look at the Panhard bar. Wow. It's just leaning to the right a little bit. There's not even, man, you still got like 2 inches of play between That bracket and the bar. Let's take a look at the front here. And this is one of the downsides of lifting an IFS truck, because I don't know if it does justice on the internet or on screen, but in person, that sucker's really tilted, you know. And there's not much flex. That front end stays, you know. But it's pretty cool, man. You can see how that, let's get closer. I got my fans on, but you can see how that control arm right there is pushed out, and the other one isn't. It's the price you pay for an IFS when you want to lift it in the front for big rock clearance. But man, I don't know what that guy's talking about, you know. So, man, look at the back. It's really leaned. That's probably the most extreme you want to go up like that, and it's just too much. That's about 20 degrees right there. 20 degree tilt. But yeah, that's the video, y'all. Oh man, I'm leaning. Oh, let's come off this sucker. Watch the lean change. Yeah, we're down off it now. D-bag on the internet thought, oh, it's gonna bind. It's no good. Ha ha ha. You hit full bump. I'm telling you, this thing's lifted in the back a good 3.5–4 inches. I don't have extended bump stops. Park it back in the garage. That's the end of the video, y'all. Y'all have a good one.